Just your slider. Nice, dude. Perfect. Yoo-hoo! That was money.
If you lock your rear, it'll be easier. Your left rear wheel was spinning and your right wasn't. And so you had traction on your right rear wheel. Gosh, that was so much easier with the locker.
Yeah, they're just in the sticky. Don't spray me! My Crocs are in two-wheel drive even.
Got a little bit of a drop off right there. I don't know how, but I didn't hit my bumper going down, but we'll see. I think it'll go hard. Passenger over there. Yeah. Dude, this trail is so cool. I don't know how I haven't done this. Wow, my lights look trippy in the camera. There's your slider. Easy, your rear's about to come down. Real slow. Your exhaust kissed it. That right slider's taking some hits. I think it's factory. Nice.
Passenger, 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 passenger.
Hey guys, this is Grant with Arkansas Off-Road. Just want to take a quick second and share with you one of the most important features I use in the onX app that actually allows me to get out here, explore, camp, and have a really good time. So without a doubt, the most important thing you want to do is actually have your maps downloaded to your phone. Now I know the point of camping is to kind of disconnect and unplug from the world, but you have to use this offline maps feature to know where you're going, to get there safely, and to get back home. So all you got to do is go to the bottom nav bar, click offline maps, and then hit new map. And then you'll select between 3 different resolutions depending on how much space you have on your phone and stuff like that, and how much detail you actually want in the maps as well. Then you'll scan and find your area exactly where you want to save and explore, and click save, and then you can actually also name it whatever you want. Once you save an offline map, it'll go into its own folder so you can access them for later. So it's just very, very quick and easy to use and a very safe way to actually know where you're going when you don't have service. Once you have all the maps saved and labeled of the areas you intend to explore, one thing I like to do is click the Go Offline button just to kind of check your work. What that does is it actually kind of simulates that you don't have cell service just to make sure it's going to work out in the field. So if you haven't already, I highly recommend you guys download the onX Off-Road app. It's packed with tons of great features just like this that'll keep you safe out on the trail. What's up guys, we're set up for camp here. First night in the camper, super pumped. But yeah, I did about 50 miles of wheeling today. We got Drew set up in my old super light, and we cooked up some, why can't I think of it? Fajitas. Steak and chicken fajitas. Ariel's making a steak one. So we just kind of been walking around a little bit, checking out Mulberry Mountain. We've actually never been to this camp place before, but it is awesome. It is awesome. So over there is the bonfire. So we'll check that out later. But right now we're hungry, so we are eating. So here's the truck. Set up in all its glory. Did absolutely incredible today. Very minimal rubbing, which I was stoked on with the new tires. But got the alu cab deployed, camp lights going. Yeah, super pumped for the first night. Ariel's got our bed made up there. Drew's making his fajitas, and I'm about to put the phone down because I'm starving. I will say this EcoFlow battery has been crushing it. It's at like 95%, and I've been running the fridge on a really hot and humid day all day, so been awesome. And Kona is not getting any. And then you got Rick over there.
Fixing to light it up.
All right, man, we'll be over. We got Rick England here, making things sketchy. 2 whole bottles.
The later it gets, the darker it gets.
Slowly making its way. Morning guys, just had some bacon and some coffee, and I'm airing the rig back up. amazing first night in the camper. Totally amazing night. One complaint is the mattress actually sucks. I think the mattress is just too thin, so I might buy some like egg crate stuff from Walmart and kind of cut it up and put it for the floor or something. But anyway, the functionality and I guess like the efficiency of the GFC was amazing. You know, getting in and out of it was awesome. Setting it up, tearing it down was super easy. See, I got the FASTERFLATE system going. Show you real quick. Got a little gauge on there with my manifold here, my power switch right there, and then I got my compressor actually tucked inside this ammo can, but 2 separate hoses. Pretty dope. We got Drew over here using my Indiflate. He actually bought my Indiflate from me. What up, dog? What up? Iron Man boy?
Yeah. Iron Man.
That's pretty sweet, dude. Are you already aired up?
Yep.
That was quick.
Yeah, it's fast. It's fast. That's what I like.
That's awesome. We're basically ready to roll. I'm getting close, and then I'll just take the leveling blocks from you and we'll head on home. What'd you think of the GFC last night? Nice?
Yeah, that mattress. Super
Yeah.
nice. So.
Yeah, I said in the video that I loved mine, but the GFC mattress sucked, for me at least. But
Yeah. No, it's awesome.
oh yeah, Drew forgot his ladder too. It was really funny. So he like, I didn't even see you climb in there or climb out.
It's
but
not hard, you just climb up.
on the wheel well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
That's funny. Sweet, let's see how we're doing on pressure. 28. We're getting there. But yeah, I'm a fan though of the GFC. Absolutely awesome. Loved it. So yeah, I think besides just the mattress, a little upgrade or update I guess I need to do to it, it'll be absolutely perfect. So, and then as far as the whole camper setup, it worked awesome, like amazingly well. That's my kitchen stuff with the stove and with my dry foods, so I could slip it out of that little hole right there, use it as a step to get in the camper. This cutout worked absolutely perfectly. Getting up in there was awesome, so super pumped. So yeah, that's really gonna be the end of the video. This is probably a much shorter video, but I didn't want to film too much of this trip, honestly. I just kind of wanted to relax and not be pressured to make a video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed some of the clips we were able to get. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.